Hi, it's Tom from GreenShortz, and I'm here in Birmingham, Alabama at Laser Cutting Services for the cutting of the Rocket King rocket stove at a 16 gauge stainless. You may have seen my prototype video where I made the Rocket King rocket stove for the very first time using my jigsaw. Over the past couple of years, I've done 3 versions of that design. And then the final design, once I was happy with it, I launched it on Kickstarter. So if you missed out on that campaign, then the stove is now available on Amazon. I'm here today at Laser Cutting Services to see how the process works of cutting these 100 at a time on a high-powered, super efficient laser cutter. Let's take a look. There it is. So it's called the Rocket King. That's why, that's the RK, and it also gives me enough of a space there to light it. So I'll put paper down this side, put a load of sticks in, and then I'll light it through that hole. We pulled the test fit out just to make sure that everything lined up well, and it's looking great. Really excited about this. It's been a long time coming. All right, we got a test set here. Got a back and a front, and then 2 sides. That's it. So that's a nice snug fit.
How about that?
So then you just set all your wood right here. Sticks no bigger than a pencil, if you want it to burn fast. The test fit works out great. I made a few adjustments to the file just to get the everything to line up right and the floor to sit down properly. Got that adjustment just right. Had my fingers crossed because I made some estimations on that, but it's perfect. So, all right, now we're gonna run the rest of these. They tell me it's gonna take a couple hours to do that. So I'm gonna do a little time lapse, watch the process. Like the first sheet is almost done. I think we've got 3 more sheets to go. The second sheet is in the machine. Just a quick word of thank you again to those of you who supported this project on Kickstarter. It's amazing to see something you've created turn into an actual product. But that's made possible by the fact that you're willing to support me one pledge at a time. So thank you for helping me realize my dream. And I really appreciate it. Our mission here at GreenShortz is to help you see green so you can be green and save a little green by doing it yourself. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe for a new DIY video almost every Friday.